You didn't buy it, right?
Nah, I didn't buy it. It's the new M4. Yes.
Buy what? Sure. Oh, you want the sound, right?
It's cool.
Look, he matches the fire truck.
Does he?
Yeah, because the yellow and the red, and then the red's got wings.
It's the best view I could get right now, but it is. It's crazy. All I've been doing all day long is watching videos about this damn car, and here it is. I'm on Fairfax. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm solid.
with some work done. I'm not trying to lose again. I got some stuff coming up. I'm buying parts and stuff. And I got a few parts already. I'm giving the car a new look. I'm doing a new look with the car. New wheels, new suspension, accessory things here and there, exhaust. There's not much done to it right now, but it's like this, the vision that I have is like, it's different from, you know, what I thought. So, bruh, just switching it up. You know, I'm super happy about the growth so far with the channel, the views, the viewers, the engagement, the comments, everything. It's only the beginning. It's really only the beginning. Same thing for the Instagrams. It's only the beginning. Just now getting started. So as I start doing more and more mods, going out more and whatnot, yeah, it's weird because like I don't really know anybody out here, so I can't just be like, yo guys, let's get up and go do this. You know, I just don't have that whole trust factor and relationships built yet with a bunch of people. Yeah, I just want to say thank you to all the viewers, subscribers, everybody, man. I appreciate the love. I appreciate advice, everything, man, everything. You know, I just want to keep doing this, keep growing and learning everything, meeting new people, just everything. Just have fun. So, yeah. So, catch y'all on the next one then.